Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete history. Let's begin. Semrush doesn't directly provide an option to delete your account's history, as it retains data for project tracking, analysis, and reporting purposes. However, what we can do is to manage your data visibility by removing or editing specific elements. So once you are logged into your account here in Semrush, one of the option is going to be deleting the keywords or data in tools. All right, for tools like position tracking, if you go to the left side panel of your dashboard right here, open the tool associated with your project, and if you have typed in keywords here or campaigns you no longer want to track, adjust your tracking settings to start fresh. That also applies using the keyword manager here. All right, if you're using the keyword magic tool, you might want to do that as well. Now, second option is go to the specific projects that you're working. For example, this, click the projects and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard and locate the project you want to delete. All right, that's going to be the gear icon here. Click the delete project and confirm your action. Now, this will remove all of the data, including site audits, position tracking, and backlinking analysis for that project. So essentially, it's like deleting the history itself. All right. Of course, all you have to do is type in the numbers and confirm the delete option. All right. So basically, you have deleted the history. Now, if you need to delete a specific historical data that isn't covered by the above steps that we have shown you, try to reaching out to Semrush support. Go to the bottom right corner where you can see the question mark icon. Click that and go to the help center. All right, and from here, just go to submitting a request explaining the exact data you want to be removed. That is part of deleting the history. And of course, one of the customer support staff will give you insights and assistance in how to clear the account specific data if that's permissible under their policies. All right. For example, in this case, what we're going to do is there's like a chat bot right here on the bottom right. Let's try to see if that could help us. Go to the messages right here. That's the Semrush chatbot. Press enter to see what we got here. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.